Viewers, let's talk about another gem of the Congress party, Sam Pitroda, the long-standing confidant and mentor to Rahul Gandhi, operates in a space that defies norms of accountability. Time and again, he is waded into controversies, each one a potential death knell for any other Neta, yet Uncle Sam emerges safely. His position within the Congress ecosystem, not just intact, but often reinforced. This isn't mere luck, viewers. This tells you that loyalty to the Gandhi family trumps everything else. Just last evening, Pitroda sparked a controversy by claiming a disrupted lecture at IIIT. He said IIT, but it was triple IT. Ranchi was evidence of stifled free speech, only for the government to reveal that no such event occurred. Because neither IIT nor triple IT Ranchi had record of his presence. A fabrication of this scale would sink most public figures. Yet the Congress party has barely flinched. No action against Uncle Sam. The message is clear. Electoral optics matter, but loyalty to the Gandhi inner circle matters more. What does it take then for Rahul and Congress to sack or even mildly rebuke this man? The bar seems impossibly high, viewers. Pitroda enjoys a freedom so absolute that it borders on the absurd. He can misstep, mislead, even misfire like he does always. Whether it's downplaying China as a threat, welcoming illegal settlers, or inventing events, and still retains his post and power. Why? Because he's not just an advisor. No, he's not an ordinary advisor or a Congress worker. He's a relic of the Rajiv Gandhi era, a living link to the family's legacy. Viewers, until Rahul Gandhi understands that mentoring goes both ways, that Pitroda himself needs guidance on the optics of power and politics, nothing will change. Sam Pitroda will drag the party down with him.
Recently, I was speaking at the Ranchi IIT to almost several hundred students. And someone hacked in and started showing all the pornography. And we had to turn it off. Now, is that democracy? Is that fair? Recently, I was speaking at the Ranchi IIT to almost several hundred students. And someone hacked in and started showing all the
कमरुज़मान चौधरी जी, डीके शिव कुमार को तो बोल दिया कि he is undermining secularism. What is Sam Pitroda doing?
No, Pranesh, one thing, when you compare the Ministry of Education under BJP ministry and Sam Pitroda's word, I will take Sam Pitroda's word because I do not believe what the Ministry of Education has put out as a rejoinder. There must have been an incident like this that has happened to Sam Pitroda, that he must have come out and said it in the open. I don't think so. There is anything hidden out here.
I'm glad
this issue.
This
issue might have been planted by the
Chaudhary ji, you know, I am so glad that you are
That's
backing
the point out here.
and openly backing Sam Pitroda. Now, 1 minute. Now that you've backed him on this one, I want you to congratulate Sam Pitroda for discovering that people from northeast of India look like Chinese. Boliye, I congratulate Sam Pitroda. Boliye.
Pranesh, come on, don't mix up things and try to glorify your ecosystem out here. Don't
Sir, क्या ecosystem है? हर सवाल पे आप यहाँ वहाँ भाग रहे हैं.
Criticized on that debate also I was
This
there.
is the debate. वो देखिए Sam Pitroda fans are there smiling.
I was there in the debate. I was there in the debate when we were discussing about those comments, and I personally condemned Sam Pitroda's
अभी भी condemn कर दीजिए सर. ये you know your condemnation. 1 minute. Your condemnation empowers Sam Pitroda. What is this condemnation? Look at how Vivek Srivastava is sitting. Look at how Vivek Srivastava is sitting there. देखिए वो क्या कर रहे हैं वो. उनको पता है क्या बोलना है. कुछ भी डिबेट हो वो बोलेंगे बीजेपी इज फासिस्ट, बट सीपीएम नहीं मानती है मोदी गवर्नमेंट इज फासिस्ट. But Vivek Srivastava is bigger than the party. He takes orders directly not from the CPM but from the CCP. He is the real communist. हमारे पास जो है वो watered down communist है. हंस भी रहे वो, इतने अच्छे हैं. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, सैम पिट्रोदा का क्या करना चाहिए?
Sir, Sam Petroda is my role model, one of my role models. I endorse what he said. If he has said it, that is the truth. If Modi has said, that is not the truth. आप आगे बढ़िए. सैम पेट्रोडा ने जो कहा है एंथ्रोपोलॉजी के किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट से दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी चले जाइए, बिहार यूनिवर्सिटी, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, भारत के अंदर देयर आर 6 रेसेस, 6 रेसेस के लोग इस मुल्क में रहते हैं. दर्शक व्यूअर्स, प्लीज गूगल इट आउट. Go to the university where you studied and endorse what Sam Petroda said. We are a mixture of 6 races. Mongoloids are also one of them. These guys have misquoted him, his scientific fact, and they say that he's unpatriotic and he's racial, which is wrong.
You know, while I appreciate that you Sam Petroda has at least one minute, one admirer other than Rahul Gandhi. What would you tell those who are saying, where is IIT Ranchi? ये तो exist ही नहीं करता है.
सर, अब आप सुन लीजिए, यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम 1920 हो सकता है.
अच्छा, 1920
Sam Petroda is the man who set up the Department of Telecommunications in this country. सर, पूरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स रिवोल्यूशन इस देश का जब आप छोटे थे और हम भी छोटे थे.
Sam Petroda discovered electricity, the electric bulb, everything. Sam Petroda is father of so many inventions. Yes. Ishtaran.
Yes. Pranesh, firstly, the classical definition of racism is when you try to segregate and identify people by their features or their skin color. As a factually, if you go to US, people will have different skin colors, but you do not name them by their skin color. Because that would be racism that will get you barred from all public platforms. Here we have a defense of Sam Petroda, but obviously bootlickers of Congress dynasty have to defend Sam Petroda in every form, shape, way or form. Second aspect, if, as Mr. Petroda said, he was addressing a college, IIT Ranchi, it's not existing, okay. But he says he was addressing several hundred students. Now, if you're addressing several hundred students and porn plays up, those students will be witnesses. They are on social media. They will come out and say that we were doing this and some hacker did it. Third aspect, if some hacker did it, how is the government responsible for that? The hacker may be in US. Fourth aspect, who knows what digital device he was using and whether it was his own personal porn. We have no ways of knowing that unless it's investigated. So all this fakery against the government all the time.
And this is not the first time, which is why we've written it. Not the first time, not the last time. Sanju Verma, will action be taken? This mere, press release clarification is not enough.
Pranesh, first and foremost, for the benefit of somebody on your panel who says कि अरे गलती हो गई IIT और IIT में कोई ज्यादा अंतर नहीं है. Indian Institute of Technology is IIT. Indian Institute of Information Technology is IIIT. तो पहली बात तो ये. And if Sam Petroda doesn't know the basic difference, then I think that showcases why Congress is where it is today, because Sam Petroda is one of the closest confidants of the Gandhi-Nehru dynasty. As Ishtaran said, on the eve of Lok Sabha 2019, Sam Petroda को पूछा गया, your comments, Mr. Petroda, on the 1984 anti-Sikh genocide, हुआ तो हुआ. 2024 में, on the eve of Lok Sabha elections, he was asked, what do you have to say about India's unity in diversity? What does he say? India is a diverse country where people from the east look like Chinese, people from the west look like Arab, people from North India look like white people, and people from South India look like Africans. And then when he was asked, do you repent for making these kind of racist comments? Hua to hua. Then what did he say? 18 months back, India should impose inheritance tax. And when Jairam Ramesh, the nanny of Rahul Gandhi, said, those are Petroda's personal comments. And Sam Petroda was asked, do you want to apologize? Hua to hua, mujhse galti ho gayi. So Sam Petroda and the entire Congress cabal belongs to this hua to hua, chalta hai attitude, shoot and scoot. But the government will take action. Dharmendra Pradhan, I'm so happy, has called out the bluff of Sam Petroda fair and square, saying कभी किसी IIT ने Sam Petroda को invitation नहीं दिया, कभी किसी IIT ने भी Sam Petroda को invitation नहीं दिया.
No, so Vivek Srivastava, who's by profession an IED engineer, he's trained to make explosives. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आप क्या आईडी इंजीनियरिंग किया ना आपने?
I just need 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds.
नहीं इंजीनियरिंग कौन सा किया आपने? आईडी.
सर सुनिए, मैं बताता हूँ.
नहीं पहले ये बताइए.
नहीं इंजीनियरिंग. अरे सर, आप जो मर्जी बना लीजिए.
नहीं, आप, मैं चाहता हूँ आप बता दीजिए कौन सी आईडी इंजीनियरिंग है, आरडीएक्स इंजीनियरिंग है, कौन सा है आपका?
नहीं मैंने हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल मैंने वही करी है सर, मैं खुद ही एक्सप्लोसिव, चलता फिरता एक्सप्लोसिव हूं, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। नाउ लिसन टू मी, फर्क क्या है, संजू वर्मा एंड मोदी, ये देखिए, सैम पेट्रोडा स्टैंड्स फॉर एआई इन दिस कंट्री कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ाओ, मोदी स्टैंड्स फॉर एमएम बढ़ाओ।
Yeah,
MM
and
क्या
Rahul
होता है
Gandhi
साहब?
stands for
महामंडलेश्वर बनाओ।
Rahul Gandhi stands
अभी
for the 3
महामंडलेश्वर
zeros
ममता
that the
कुलकर्णी को
Congress
बनाओ।
has scored in Delhi.
हाँ।
So you know ये 19-20 होते रहता है सर, AI और IA. ये
वहाँ
विवेक
ममता
श्रीवास्तव,
कुलकर्णी
विवेक
बन गई थी ना
श्रीवास्तव,
सर?
we've run out of
ममता
time,
कुलकर्णी
sir.
बन
We'll
गई
keep
थी।
it for some other day. But I thank all of you for joining us, viewers. The news hour with Navita Kumar on the other side.